Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to skip Microsoft Sign-In during Windows 11 setup. Alright, let's begin. When you are setting up Windows 11 and it prompts you to sign in with a Microsoft account, you can bypass this requirement. Start by pressing the Shift and F10 keys together. If your device requires the function key, press Shift plus Fn plus F10. This will open the command prompt window. In the command prompt, type the command start ms:/local only, then press enter. Your system will restart automatically and bring you back to the setup screen, now with an option to create a local account without signing in to Microsoft. Enter your desired username for the local account. You can also create a password if you want extra security or leave it blank for faster logins. Once done, continue the setup process as usual. So that's basically how you can skip Microsoft Sign-In during Windows 11 setup. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.